Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The most important and effective thing to impact others, to live a beautiful moment with others, to attract others' attention is the smile. If you have the smile on your face, you are respectable, you are acceptable, you are lovable person. Because that Allah Almighty has created mankind with an innate inclination, with a natural tendency to like those person who have the cheerful faces, to love those person who are very kind, who are very cheerful. As a Muslim, we must know the importance of the smile in our religion. We must know what hadiths do say about smile. We find several hadiths about this topic. There is one hadith in Sahih Muslim عن أبي ذر رضي الله تعالى عنه قال للنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم لا تحقرن من المعروف شيئا ولو أن تلقى أخاك بوجه طلق. Hazrat Abu Dharr radiallahu anhu narrated that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, don't disdain a good deed even it is a meeting with your brother with your cheerful faces. That means if you want to meet with your brothers, with your sisters, with your family members, with your neighbors, with your friends, anyone, you must have the smile on your faces. You must have the cheerful faces. Because it is not only a good act, it is not only a natural act, but it is a very good, it is a very impressive thing. It is a very good deed, and you will get reward from Allah Almighty in the day of judgment. In the next video, we will try to know others hadiths about this topic, inshallah.